I'm going to invite onto the stage our sponsor, Ray Allen from Code Avengers. Now, this award is the top Pacific New Zealand Scholar Award sponsored by Code Avengers. So there he is. Now, this award recognizes an undergraduate scholar who has demonstrated a strong academic performance by consistently achieving high marks in their chosen program. Ladies and gentlemen, the winner of this award congratulations to Vensel Margraff. Yeah. Now, as Vensel is making his way forward, I'm just going to find his bio, so I'm just going to go to his Facebook account. Now, he was born and raised in the beautiful island of Samoa. Vensel Margraff is a high achiever who has consistently obviously produced excellent throughout his educational journey to serving as a leader in his Pacific community and engineering field. In 2016, he was awarded head boy and ducks of Robert Louis Stevenson College. The following year, he was announced as the top national student for the foundation year at the National University of Samoa. There's lots more, but just go onto his Facebook page and read it there. Yeah. Another round of applause. Over to you, Michael.
Before my nephew has a speech in Samoa, or say wa fia in Apeseia. So here you go, Vensel. Wa fa'afetai, wa fa'afetai, wa mari e mata e va'ai, wa tasi lava o. I'm from Palmerston North. Thank you very much.
Kia ora and talofa lava. I'll try and keep things short today. E mua ona si'i le vi inga ma le whawhetai le tātou tamā I le langi o mawhai ona tātou au lia manuia le nei pō matango fie. First and foremost, I would like to give all the glory, honor, and thanks to our Heavenly Father above for blessing us with such a spectacular night tonight. I would say you all look very phenomenal in your lava lavas tonight. I would like to acknowledge my family who have traveled afar from New Zealand to be with me tonight to celebrate this award. And also to my family who is watching the live stream. I know you're screaming at the top of your lungs right now in Samoa, Australia, the US of A, and around the world. I would like to especially dedicate this award to my parents, Whamatua Inu, Dennis, and Salino Margraff. Thank you for pushing me and my sister to give our 110% in everything that we do, because I know that even 100% isn't enough for you. I would like to use this opportunity to also express my sincerest gratitude to the Pacific Corporation Foundation for giving me this unique opportunity. Through this award, I want to inspire other Pacific youth to pursue their most ambitious dreams. I would also like to acknowledge the government of Samoa and the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and Trade of New Zealand for giving me the opportunity to come to New Zealand and study. I would not be standing here if it wasn't for you. I would like to acknowledge my fellow award recipients. It is extremely humbling and motivating to be part of a cohort of such spectacular and magnificent academics, leaders, sports people in your respective fields. This accomplishment is not mine alone. It is the culmination of efforts of the many people that have supported me along my educational journey thus far. I would like to acknowledge my church community in Samoa, the Whakasa Church of Uluru Masiusenga, my mentors, my lecturers, and even my Pacific family at the University of Auckland. Thank you for truly giving me a place I could call my second home. I would also like to acknowledge one of the representatives who accompany me here tonight from Tonkin and Taylor, who I'll be working internship with over the summer. Thank you for gracing us with your presence. And in closing that, I would like to bless you guys with a festive holiday season. manuia le kerisi masi ma le tausanga fou. Whawhetai mai e manuia. Toi fua.